Good morning friends, welcome to SNRJ Investment Academy. Today we will be discussing about Apollo Tricoat Tubes Limited. This is the snapshot of the share price CAGR and profit CAGR. Here you can see that stock price CAGR for 5 years the stock has given 104 percentage returns for 5 years as CAGR, and 3 years it is 124 percentage, and for 1 year 221 percentage. So it's a very high return. So along with that, if we compare the compounded profit growth, you can see that for 5 years it has given 537 percentage profit growth, and for 3 years it is 147 percentage. Compared it to the CAGR of the stock price and the compounded profit growth, we can see that there is a reason for this high CAGR for the stock. Profit also going very rapidly, and the share price also going very rapidly. So even though we can the price is very skyrocketed, definitely the fundamentals also going up. So we'll be analyzing this stock first, whether the fundamentally the stock is doing good or not. After that, we will formulate a strategy to accumulate this stock. We will decide to accumulate it or not. Definitely by seeing the stock price, the stock is in bubble territory, and it is not a definite good time to accumulate this stock. But seeing the fundamentals, we can see that there is a reason for the stock price going up. So we need to formulate a strategy, whether we need to decide whether we need to accumulate it or not. If we are planning to accumulate this stock, then we should have a strategy to accumulate. So we'll be doing the detailed analysis in this video. See the maximum chart for the Apollo Tricoat Tubes Limited. The rally started after the crash happened. No? That after that the stock price rapid movement happened, and if you see the basic fundamentals, you can see that the price is very high and the intrinsic value is very low, and the stock is in a red flagged category, that is, the stock is in ASM list. See, this is the financial performance over the period of 2020-21 financial year 2022. Then you can see that there is a definite increase in the EBITDA, and revenue also going up. So over the period of time, even though there were some variations, still overall performance, you can see that the prices, the revenue and profit are going towards up only, and good returns, the good performance is shown by the company. So basic fundamentals, it shows that the company is doing good. That may be the reason why the stock is going up. If you see the net profit variations, you can see that from Q1 of financial 2021 to Q1 of financial year 2022, there was a good tremendous increase in the net profit, and it is definitely the company is doing well, and the financial performance is very good, and the fundamentals are also, if you see that the company is having good EBITDA and net margin also increasing. So the overall performance and financial is very supportive, and the very good performance is shown by the company. So there is no surprise in that, because the fundamentals are, if the fundamentals are good and the company is earning revenue and net profit also increasing, definitely the share price also going up. This is the basic fundamentals screenshot of this company. The PE is currently 35.3, and even though there was good return shown in the share price, still the stock PE is 35 only. So that is a good thing, that the company is, even though the price is little up, it is definitely not a very high compared to its earning. ROC is good, 44.8 percentage, and ROE is 41.7 percentage. Company is not giving any dividend, so the dividend yield is 0, and debt to equity is 0.16 only. In the coming slide we can see that the company has reduced the debt also. So overall the debt is very low and ROC ROE high, and then the company is earning good revenue and net profit also increasing. Definitely the company basic fundamentals are strong and good, and that's maybe the reason why the stock price is going up. Even though the price is going upward and it is in high territory, still the company is very good for accumulation purpose. Do not go for a bulk investment in this share at right now, because the price is towards the higher side. Still every month we can accumulate small quantity over the period of 1 or 2 years. If we are accumulating and the price, the trend of this company fundamentals are so supporting, then we can generate good return from our investment. This is the basic history of this company. Earlier the company name was Best Steel Logistics. Later in 2018 October, the APL Apollo Tubes acquired 40% of the company shares, and in January 2019 they have accumulated 10% also. Again total 50.6% they have accumulated. That was the main turning point for this company, and after that only the share price movement and the basic fundamentals and profit also started picking up, and it came back to its good performance territory. These are the basic pros and cons. Pros, they have reduced the debt and they are giving good returns and good CAGR, so profit growth also very good, 530.18% CAGR in the last 5 years. That is very good. ROC and ROE also good. Only the cons is that the price is a little towards the upward side and it is a high price right now. So we need to be cautious, but still the basic fundamentals are strong, then the accumulation is possible in this stock at this price also. Shareholding pattern, if you see that FIs are increasing the holding, but the percentage, if you see over during June 2020 they were having 4.25%, but right now they are only having 1.79. But compared to March 2021, June 2021, they have increased their holding, but the holding percentage is very small, 1.79%. DIA is also having 1.44% holding, and in fact DIA is reduced their holding from March 2021 to June 2021. So we need to be cautious because there is not much high percentage of investment by FIS and DIS in this stock. Public is having good holding, 40.95%. So even though we can even though the investment of FIS DIS are small, compared to the fundamentals, by seeing the fundamentals the company is a good company. Only the thing we need to consider is the price. The price is in an upward side, so that we need to be cautious. If we can accumulate the stock at a good level, good price below 1300 1000 range, then it will be a good investment. But right now, if by seeing the pattern, it is not visible whether when we can accumulate at that price range. So it is better we need to formulate a strategy to accumulate that current level also, and if there is any downward trend happening or price coming down, correction happen, then accumulate more stocks. This is the quarterly result. Here you can see that up to 2019 June the company net profit was 0 only. In June 2019 they have started showing profit, and then there was a good rally happened in the profit, and the profit in June 2021 they have given good profit, and there was a good percentage increase in the share net profit also. Earning per share also gone up, and currently they are having 15.69 rupees earning per share. That is very good, and the company is over the period of time they have performed very well. By seeing this result you can have an idea how the company performed over last period. You can take a decision accordingly. This is again the basic earning per share and diluted earning per share and dividend, how the company is not giving any dividend. So if you are planning for a dividend stock, this is not one. This is a growth stock and giving good growth over the period of time. I see the earning per share how it has gone. from March 2018 3.71, it has gone to March 2021 34.54. There is a very good percentage of increase and good earning per share the company is gaining. And over the period of time also we need to be very careful. I need to watch this earning per share, how the company is giving good profit or not, and then accordingly we need to take decisions. Debt to equity during March 2020 they were having debt to equity of 0.51. Currently March 2021 they have reduced that to 0.16. That's a good sign that the company is reducing the debt, and it's very, the debt to percentage or debt to equity ratio is very small. So it's time to decide and formulate a strategy. By seeing overall the fundamentals of this stock, we can see that the company is fundamentally strong, and by seeing the price, current price is 1670, and the high touch was 1728. So it's near to the all-time high, and by seeing the chart you can expect that the price to go up, and the current market is all-time high and very bullish. So as you can expect that till the bullishness in the market is there, this price also, share price also will go up. And if there is any correction happening, then definitely you can see corrections in this stock also, because this has already rallied a very high percentage, and there should be a correction, but we cannot predict how, when, and that will happen. The thing we need to formulate, my strategy I will tell you, I will be accumulating this stock, this small percentage every month, and every month I will be accumulating this stock, and because I don't not want to lose this opportunity to accumulate this stock, because the fundamentals are very good, very supportive, the price is very high. So if you are planning for a good return over nearby time, then definitely do not go for this stock, because if there is any correction, then it will take a very long time for you to recover that loss. If you have a investment horizon for above 5 years, then definitely this company can give good return, but we need to be very careful, and we need to analyze the results every quarter, and if there is any correction happening, then accordingly we need to take decision. The company is fundamentally so far very good, and the performance is also good. Every month I will be accumulating the stock, and if there is any correction happening, and that is because of the market correction, not because of the fundamentals of this company, then definitely I will accumulate more stock when the price is going down. What I can say that the fair value of this stock is near to 1200 1000, that range, but we cannot know when that price will come, whether that price will come or not. That is up to market. Any time that anything can happen, and if there is any correction happening, then we will get that price, but do not wait for that price. Waiting for a correction is not a good idea. We can accumulate the stock every month, and if there is any correction happening, accumulate more. That should be our strategy in this stock. And only if you are comfortable for a investment period of 5 years or 4 years, 5 years, you take it as 5 years, then only investment. This stock is at this price is eligible for investment for long term only. Do not go for short term. I'm not talking to the traders. They can do as per their decision. I'm giving this analysis for the long term investors, and you need to consider this as for educational purpose only. Do not go by my words. You need to do your own analysis and take a decision accordingly. This is for an information purpose only, how the company fundamentals are there, how the price is there. You need to take your own decision after seeing this video. And for me, as per my strategy, I will be accumulating this stock every month, a small percentage only. Do not go by a big amount. And after, if there is any correction happening, and then I will be accumulating more. So you can formulate your own strategy based on your risk profile and take your own decision. Hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.